Let's solve problem number 6 of exercise 3.3. We are going to do this by substitution method, and we can see that these two equations are in the form of fractions. So let us solve the first equation here. We are going to take the LCM of the denominators, that means 2 and 3. By cross multiplication method we get it as 6 here, 6 as the LCM, and 3 into 3x is 9x minus 10y is equal to negative 2. That is 9x minus 10y by 6 is equal to negative 2. And this 6, when it goes to the other side, what you get here is 9x minus 10y is equal to negative 12. 6 into 2 is 12. So we got the first equation here. We have got it in the simpler form. And let us take this equation also, and let us convert this equation to the simplest form. And same way we are going to take the LCM here. That is 3 and 2. LCM is 6 here. By cross multiplication method you get it as 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. And when you take this 6 to the other side, what you get here is 13 by 6 into 6, isn't it? By 6 into 6. And 6 and this 6 gets cancelled. What you get here is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So we have got equation number 1 and equation 2 here. And let us see how to do this problem in substitution method. So let us find the value of x here using this equation 1, and let us find the value of x here. That is 9x minus 10y is equal to negative 12, and 9x is equal to negative 12 plus 10y. Negative 10y gets transposed to the other side, get as plus 10y, and x is equal to negative 12 plus 10y into 9 becomes by 9. So we have got a value of x here, and we are going to substitute this value in the second equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. In this equation we are going to substitute this value of x. Okay, let us see what we get here. 2 into x, that is 2 into, in the place of x we are going to substitute negative 12 plus 10y by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. That means 2 into negative 12 is negative 24 plus 20y by 9 is, what you get here is, after taking LCM, again by cross multiplication method, 3y means 3y by 1, isn't it? So 1 and 9, LCM is 9 itself. 1 into negative 24 plus 20y is negative 24 plus 20y itself, and 9 into 3y is 27y is equal to 13. That means 20y plus 27y is 47y. Negative 24 plus 47y is equal to 9 into 13. So what you get here is negative 24 plus 47y by 9 is equal to 13. That is 9 into 13 is 117. And after transposing and getting the value of y, get it as 141 by 47, that is equal to 3. So you got the value of y as 3 here. Let us substitute this value of y in any of the equations, and you get the answer of x. So when I substitute the value of y in the first equation or second equation, I have taken the second equation, so it's simpler here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2x plus 3, in the place of y, let me substitute 3 here. That is 2x plus 9 is equal to 13, and 2x is equal to 13 minus 9, x is equal to 2. Hope this is clear for you. So we got the two answers here, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Let us solve the next problem here. The second problem here is solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So we have been given two pairs of linear equations here. We are going to solve these two equations, and we are going to get the value of x and y. Then we are going to substitute the value of y and x in this equation, and finally we will be getting the value of m. Let us see how to do this. We have been given two pairs of linear equations here, as you can see. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to 24. Since we have been asked to do by substitution method, we are going to do all the problems by substitution method of this exercise. So 2 into x is equal to 11 minus 3y, that is x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. So you got a value of x here, isn't it? You got a value of x here, and we are going to substitute this value in the second equation. So we got the value from the first equation, and this value will be substituted in the second equation. Get it as 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y, this 4y, minus 4y is equal to negative 24. And these two 2's gets cancelled here. And what remains here? 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to negative 24. That means 11 minus 7y is equal to negative 24. And when you transpose this 11 to the other side, it is negative 11. And negative 7y is equal to negative 35. And y is equal to negative 35 by negative 7. That is, these two negatives get scanned, got the value of y as 5 here. So when you substitute this value in any of the equations above, you get the value of x. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3 into 5 is 50. 2x is equal to negative 4. And x is equal to, you get the answer as negative 4 by 2. That is 2. Sorry, negative 2. So you can see here value of x as negative 2. And when you substitute this value of x and value of y which we got earlier, that is value of y, we got it as 5 here. And this value of y, that is 5, and this value of x is negative 2. When you substitute this final equation to find the value of m, what you get here is y is equal to mx plus 3. 5 is equal to m into negative 2 plus 3. That is 5 is equal to negative 2m plus 3, and 5 minus 3 is equal to negative 2m. Negative 2m is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2 by negative 2. That means this negative comes to the numerator, get it as negative 1. So we got the value of m as negative 1 here.